Welcome to the Turning Technologies Beginners Training Lessons. Turning Point is a student response system that increases engagement and participation in lessons and generates useful information for the teacher. In this set of lessons, we will discuss the necessary components for using Turning Point, explain the initial setup of the program, and see how to use Turning Point clickers. Let's get started. To begin, let's look at the different Turning Point components that are needed to run this program. Turning Point is a program that combines both hardware and software components. The first component is the Turning Point Installation CD. This CD contains all of the material required to install Turning Point onto your machine. We will discuss the actual installation process in the next video. The next component is the USB receiver. This receiver is used to collect the data from each of the Turning Point clickers and send it to your computer. The next piece of equipment is the Turning Point response cards, or clickers as they are commonly called. Each participant in the lesson has their own individual clicker, which can be used to respond to questions or material in the lesson or presentation. The final piece of equipment we will look at is an LCD projector. Although the program can be run using only a computer, it is more likely that you would want to connect your computer to a projector so that it can be seen clearly by the participants. You will also need a power cord for the projector and a connector cord to connect the projector to your computer. The screen can then be projected onto a smartboard, white screen, or even a blank wall so that all participants can easily follow the presentation. Now that we have seen all of the hardware components, we are ready to install the Turning Point software onto our computers. Please follow the steps in the next video to install Turning Point on your machine.